Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Intersection. This is problem number 1 of your homework assignment. The homework assignment of number 1, it says in a survey of 200 students, the following information was gathered. 100 students use app A, 110 students use app B, 130 students use app C, 70 students use both app A and app B, 80 students use both app B and app C, and 75 students use both app A and app C, app A and app C, and then 50 students use the three. Using the information, create a Venn diagram with 3 circles. We have app A and app B and app C. That's reasonable enough, and 3 circles representing app A and B and C. Label the regions according to the number of students using each combination of apps, using each combination of the apps. Finally, determine how many students are not using any of the apps. So to find out how many students are not using any of the apps, we need to find the total users. So let me use this for my draft Venn diagram, and then I'll transfer this to the engineering papers. Okay. First thing is we have to identify the region. So this is app A, B, and C. This region here that I'm shading a little bit, shows the all students use the 3 apps. So this intersects with all of them. So this region here, the 50 is equal to A intersect with B intersect with C. That's what that 50 comes from. Okay, this region here, all the way here, including the little 50 there, is A intersect with B. A intersect with B, as we have here, to get the total value of it, it should be 70 minus the 50 here, and that's 20. So that 20 goes right here. Okay, now this region here, let's do it this way. That's B intersect with C. So B intersect with C. And let's see, students both app B and C. So we start with 80 minus the 50, and that gives us 30. 80 minus 50 gives us 30. So the 30 goes right here. Now we need to figure out this region here. That's A intersect with C. A intersect with C, and A intersect with C. 75 students use both app A and C. So that's 75 minus 50, and that's 25. So the 25 goes right here. So we can distinguish that. Now we need to find only A, only B, and only C. To find only A, that should be the 120, okay, minus the 20 here, and minus the 25 here, and then minus the 50. Only B will be the 110 minus 110 minus 20, this 20, minus 30, minus 50. Only C will be 130 minus the 25, and minus that 30, this 30, and minus 50. So to do the math, only A should be 25. Only B should be 10, and only C should be a 25. So now we're gonna label our circles with our numbers. So 25 goes right here. 25 goes right here, and then 10 goes right here. Now to find the total number of users of all the apps, okay? So we need to add 25 plus 20 plus 10 plus 30 plus 50 plus 25 plus 25. And that, if we do this, will come up with a number 185. Now, in the survey, they started with 200 students. And now we know the total users, 185. So the non-users will be 200 minus 185, and that's 15. And that's what we're asking for. He's asking for the non-users. So that's the non-users. So to where to put the 15? You don't put it inside here. You don't put it inside here because it's non-users. He's A users, B users, C users. The non-users, we create a rectangle. We call it the universe. Okay, and then we put the 15 outside. That's how you show the 15. Now let me show you how I did it in the engineering paper. In the engineering paper, of course, you'll have to put your name in the top, the assignment, and the date, and then the page 1 of 2, because I'm going to do a problem number 2 in another page. And here's I did the same math here to show my instructor that I know how to do it. And here's the only A, only B, only C, and how I did the total users. And I did them this way just for a review for you. But I would have done it like the other way, that the total users 25 plus the 20 plus the 10 plus the 50 plus the 25 plus the 30 plus the 25. But here I'm just showing it to you so you know what these come from. 25 only A, the only A users, the 10 is only B users, and the 25 only the C users. Then plus the intersection of A intersects with B, plus 30 B intersect with C, and so on and so forth. And that's the number 185. And then the non-users 15. And here's my final diagram. I hope this makes it easy for you. I hope I did it fast enough so it doesn't take you time to see this video. Okay, I'm going to stop and I'll see you in the next video.